How to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. Can we actually transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp? However, there is no direct way to transfer a certain group member from one particular group to another group, but you can go ahead and try to create a new one instead. For that, launch your WhatsApp application in your device, then tap on this plus sign icon right here. Then you can select on the option of new group. Here you can select on the contact that you wish to add as your new group members. Once you do it, you'll be able to rename your group chat name as well. So this is the only possible way to actually create a group with the same members. This is because WhatsApp currently does not have a direct method to transfer a group member to another group. We hope one day WhatsApp will come up with an update regarding it. Until then, make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.